My children, the body is not sick by accident. It is clogged by mucus, by unnatural foods, by oils that do not belong to the human design. Clean the terrain and the body will heal itself. Use the right oils from the earth, not the laboratories, and the gut will release the waste that steals your energy.
You have that stubborn belly fat that just won't go away. You wake up feeling heavy and bloated, like there's a rock in your stomach. What if I told you the problem has nothing to do with diet or exercise? What if the real problem is junk that's been stuck inside you for years? There's a crazy conversation happening right now that says the real reason you have no energy and can't lose weight is because your gut is clogged with waste. Think of your gut like the plumbing in this studio. If the pipes get clogged, the entire building is trashed. In that conversation, one name always comes up: Dr. Sebi. He left behind a super controversial way to cleanse your body. We're going to ignore the hype, look at the oils he recommended, and test them against real science. The result? I've found the top 6 oils that actually work. Forget insane diets you can't even do for a day. I'm going to give you a simple nightly and morning ritual that will make you feel lighter and cleaner, fast. I'm not just going to tell you what to use. I'm going to show you the science of how they literally force your body to flush out the garbage. Stay with me as we count down to the #1 oil that can get your body back in balance. Before we get to the oils, you have to understand where this all came from. It started with a guy from Honduras named Alfredo Bowman, also known as Dr. Sebi. Let's be clear, he was a self-taught herbalist, not a medical doctor, and he got millions of followers. His entire theory was that all disease comes from mucus that builds up when your body is too acidic. His fix? A super strict plant-based diet to make the body alkaline and flush out all the toxic mucus. Now, let me be brutally honest. These claims are not supported by science. It's considered pseudoscience. Your body has insane systems to keep your blood pH in a super tight range, or you would literally die. Trying to change your body's pH with food is like trying to change the temperature of this entire building by lighting a single match. The thermostat, your body's insane regulation system, will instantly fix it. And the guy faced massive legal trouble for claiming he could cure diseases. So why are we even talking about him? Because his focus on plant-based foods was a huge wake-up call for millions of people. He made people actually think about what they were putting in their bodies. Our goal isn't to prove his theories right. It's to raid his approved food list, specifically the oils, and see what modern science says really works. We're separating the facts from the fiction to see what these oils can actually do for your gut. Let's just destroy these headlines right now. Flush gut waste and melt fat overnight. It's just marketing language. It's a massive oversimplification. The idea that you have pounds of toxic sludge you can flush out in one night is a complete myth. But there is a tiny piece of truth in all the hype. A trashed gut is absolutely connected to your weight. An imbalanced microbiome, inflammation, and a slow digestive system, that's what causes the bloating, the pain, and why the scale never moves. So when we say flushing waste, what we're really talking about is getting your body to have healthy, regular bowel movements and hitting the turbo button on your gut motility. Think of your gut as a conveyor belt. Motility is the speed of that belt. We're not trying to blast it with a fire hose. We're just trying to get the conveyor belt running at full speed again. And no, you are not going to melt fat overnight. Your metabolism doesn't work that way. But, and this is huge, certain fats can literally force your metabolism to work better. Think of them like high-octane racing fuel. Instead of being stored for later, your body wants to burn this fuel for energy right now. They make you feel full, so you eat less, and they feed the good bacteria that control your weight long term. So as we go through these oils, we're not looking for a magic potion. We're looking for scientifically proven powers that support your digestive system and give your metabolism the kick it needs. The results aren't overnight, but if you do this consistently, you will wake up feeling lighter, less bloated, and with more energy. I guarantee it. With that out of the way, let's start the countdown. We'll start at number 6 and work our way to the undisputed champion for your gut. Number 6, grapeseed oil. This oil is on Dr. Sebi's list, and people love it for being light and clean. The hype is that it literally stops your body from making new fat cells. This claim comes from a compound in the vitamin E family called tocotrienols. So what does the science say? Yes, grapeseed oil has tocotrienols. And lab studies, I repeat, lab studies suggest they might stop fat cells from being created. But saying that proves it works in humans is like testing a car engine on a workbench and claiming you just won a Formula One race. It's an interesting first step, but it's a million miles away from a real victory. One study on overweight women found it helped with inflammation more than sunflower oil, but it didn't cause any extra weight loss. Its real value? It crushes inflammation. That's huge for a healthy gut. So while the evidence for melting fat is weak, using it to fight inflammation is a genius move. How to use it? You can cook with it. It has a higher smoke point. But for the real benefits, use it raw in a salad dressing. Number 5, avocado oil. Next up, another one from Dr. Sebi's approved list, avocado oil. The marketing claims it will revolutionize your gut bacteria, pointing to something called the PATH study. Here's the detail they don't tell you. That study used whole avocados, not the oil. The fiber in the avocado is what feeds your gut bacteria. The oil has 0 fiber. Crediting the oil for the benefits of the whole avocado is like saying gasoline is what makes a car comfortable. You're ignoring the seats and suspension, in this case, the fiber, which is doing all the real work for your gut. That doesn't mean the oil is useless. It's packed with oleic acid, a monounsaturated fat that's incredible for your heart and for killing inflammation. And because vitamins like A, D, E, and K are fat soluble, adding this oil to your salad means you actually absorb the nutrients from your vegetables. Think of these vitamins as letters you need to mail. The oil is the envelope. Without it, the vitamins can't get delivered where they need to go. How to use it? Avocado oil has a super high smoke point. This is your go-to oil for high heat cooking, like searing a steak or roasting vegetables. That's its main job. Number 4, hemp seed oil. Coming in at number 4 is hemp seed oil, another Dr. Sebi staple. It's hyped as a cure for everything from IBS to a crazy appetite. Let's look at the research. Hemp seed oil has a perfect ratio of omega-6 to omega-3 fatty acids, which is proven to reduce inflammation. Think of these two omegas as kids on a seesaw. In most diets, the omega-6 side is weighed down with 1,000 pounds, causing inflammation. Hemp seed oil helps put 1,000 pounds on the omega-3 side, bringing the seesaw back into perfect balance and calming an angry gut. The evidence is still new, but it's promising. but the claims that it's a powerful appetite suppressant or that it lubricates your intestines are blown way out of proportion. Its real strength is its anti-inflammatory power. If you're fighting gut inflammation, this is an amazing tool, but it's not a magic bullet. How to use it: never ever heat this oil. It has a low smoke point and you'll destroy all the benefits. Drizzle a teaspoon over a salad or blend it into a smoothie. It has a nutty taste, or just take it straight like a psycho. Number 3. MCT oil. At number 3, we have an oil that's not on Sebi's original list, but comes from a source he approved, MCT oil. The hype around this stuff is deafening. It torches body fat, skyrockets your metabolism, and clears out your gut. Now, for the science, and it's actually legit. MCT stands for medium-chain triglycerides. Unlike other fats, which are like slow-burning logs that get stored for later, MCTs are like lighter fluid. They go straight to your liver and ignite, creating immediate energy. This creates a thermogenic effect. It literally forces your body to burn more calories. A major 2015 analysis of multiple studies confirmed that replacing other fats with MCTs leads to real, measurable reductions in body weight and belly fat. But let me be clear, the key word is modest. It's not a wrecking ball that demolishes fat overnight. It's more like upgrading your home to energy-efficient light bulbs. The savings are small each day, but they add up to a real difference over time. It won't fix a bad diet, but it will give you a metabolic edge. It does not, however, break apart stuck waste. That's not its job. How to use it? Start small, 1 teaspoon. Too much at once will send you running to the bathroom because your body isn't used to it. Add it to your morning coffee or smoothie. You can work your way up to a tablespoon a day. Number 2, coconut oil. Our runner-up is virgin coconut oil. This is on Dr. Sebi's list, but with a critical instruction: do not cook it. The big claim is that it's a weapon against bad bacteria and yeast like Candida, that it destroys their protective biofilms in your gut. Let's separate fact from fiction. Coconut oil is about 50% lauric acid. In your body, this converts to monolaurin, which is a proven antimicrobial in lab studies. It kills certain bacteria and yeast, point blank. Think of it as a bouncer at a club. It can help keep a few troublemakers out and maintain a good environment. However, the proof that it can demolish established biofilms inside a living gut is thin. If a full-blown riot breaks out, a serious infection, you need to call in the SWAT team, meaning your doctor. Claims it can treat complex diseases like Crohn's are unproven and dangerous. Its strength is helping you maintain a clean gut, not acting like a prescription drug. How to use it? Follow Dr. Sebi's advice. Use it raw. Blend a tablespoon of virgin coconut oil into a smoothie or melt it into warm herbal tea. Taking it on an empty stomach is the most effective way to let it work. Number 1, extra virgin olive oil. And here it is, folks, the number 1 oil, the undisputed champion that is both Dr. Sebi approved and overwhelmingly backed by thousands of scientific studies. Extra virgin olive oil. The claim is that this is the ultimate oil for speeding up digestion, nourishing the gut, and fixing your metabolism. Here, the science is really bulletproof. Extra virgin olive oil is loaded with oleic acid and powerful antioxidants called polyphenols. These polyphenols are prebiotics. They're like a 5-star meal for the good bacteria in your gut. When you feed them this gourmet food, they thrive, multiply, and work harder to keep you healthy. Studies have proven that daily olive oil consumption increases gut bacteria diversity, crushes inflammation, and strengthens the gut lining to prevent leaky gut. Most importantly, it forces your liver to produce bile. Think of bile as the dish soap your body uses to clean greasy pans. Olive oil tells your liver to squeeze out more soap, helping to break down fat and flush waste. Now, it won't flush you in one night, but consistent use will dramatically improve regularity and relieve constipation. How to use it? This is critical. You must use high-quality, extra virgin olive oil, and you must use it raw. Use it as your primary salad dressing, drizzle it over cooked food, or do it the classic Mediterranean way. Take a tablespoon straight in the morning on an empty stomach. So, how do you turn this into a real ritual? First off, do not take all 6 oils every day. That's honestly just insane. You choose wisely and you stay consistent. Think of it like building a fortress. The foundation, daily, make extra virgin olive oil your non-negotiable. This is the solid foundation you lay every single day. 1 to 2 tablespoons, raw. The metabolic boost, morning. If you want that metabolic edge, add MCT oil to your morning coffee. This is the high-performance wiring for extra power. 1 to 2 teaspoons is all you need. The rotational support, alternate days. These are the specialized tools you bring in for specific jobs. Rotate in one of the other oils based on your needs. For fighting inflammation, a teaspoon of hemp seed oil on a salad. For microbial balance, a teaspoon of virgin coconut oil in a warm herbal tea in the evening. For cooking, when you turn on the stove, use avocado oil for high heat. Grapeseed oil is fine for light sautéing. This isn't a quick fix. It's about consistently giving your body the high-quality raw materials it needs to heal itself. You do this, you stay hydrated, you eat plants, and you move your body. That's where you find the real permanent results. If you found this deep dive valuable, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. We cut through the marketing nonsense to bring you the truth. Let me know in the comments right now, which of these oils are you going to start using tomorrow morning? In the end, the idea of flushing waste and melting fat overnight is an alluring lie. Dr. Sebi's philosophy, while full of holes, pointed in the right direction. Plant-based foods have power. When you look at his approved oils with a scientific eye, you don't find a miracle, you find a toolkit. Extra virgin olive oil is the king, the foundation for rebuilding your gut. MCT and coconut oil offer real support for your metabolism and microbial health, like adding a turbocharger to your engine. The others provide anti-inflammatory firepower. The real secret isn't a magic pill. It's the daily habit of nourishing your body with what it needs to cleanse and repair itself. By using these oils the right way, you are finally giving your body the tools to win.